Mammoth steaks, an ancient history. Mammoths apparently disappeared from the face of the earth about 10,000 years ago, victims of the change in climate brought about by the last great ice age and increasingly dense bands of hunters who killed them for their meat, tusks, and skins. Since the beginning of our century, hundreds of their frozen carcasses have been found in the frozen tundras of Alaska, Canada, and Siberia. At least one such finding, on the bank of the Beresovka River in Siberia, undermines the traditional theory about the reasons for mammoth extinction. Half kneeling and half standing upright, the Beresovka River mammoth is in an almost perfect state of preservation. Its meat was so well frozen that scientists who went to study it feasted on steaks cut from its loins. The most amazing fact, however, was that buttercups were found in the pachyderm's mouth. The huge mammoth at the time of his death had been feeding on plants that grow only in temperate climates. What froze it to the bone with the morsel still in its mouth, as suddenly as if it had been plunged into liquid nitrogen? The prevailing theory of a gradual climate change to which mammoths failed to adapt, in this case, does not hold water. Slow freezing would have formed ice crystals and later produced putrefaction during the thawing process. But the Beresovka mammoth was so fresh that it could be eaten without giving symptoms of intoxication. The temperatures needed to achieve such instantaneous freezing have been estimated at 100 degrees, and have never been recorded even in the natural refrigerator that is the nearby Arctic ice cap. What could have caused such a catastrophic drop in the temperature of the surrounding air? In the absence of a nuclear winter produced by atomic bombs, we must look for an alternative scenario. Forest fires and volcanic eruptions also released immense amounts of heat and light-blocking debris into the atmosphere, as recent studies have shown. One theory suggests that about 10,000 years ago, the world was shaken by an immense earthquake, the largest in the planet's history. The earthquake, determining itself along the line of junction of two tectonic plates, caused a massive outflow of lava and volcanic gases. They rose high into the atmosphere and rotated toward the poles. Quickly cooled, they plummeted toward the Earth, losing further heat in their rapid descent. Eventually, they passed through the warmer air below, instantly freezing the Beresovka River mammoth and others of its kind intent on feeding on flowers.